Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to make traditional Nigerian custard. Many people struggle with getting the right consistency, which can lead to lots of disappointing experience. Okay, let's tackle it together. For this recipe I'm going to be using Lady B custard powder. You can use any custard of choice. So just go ahead and put the quantity needed into a bowl and dissolve. Dissolving the custard is where the main issues lie for some people, okay? So go ahead and slowly add water into the bowl until the consistency is not too watery or too thick. Then you're going to mix this until thoroughly combined. So if you don't know, you can just start by adding little water at a time until you get the right consistency. We want it not too thick and not too watery. If it's too watery, that means your custard is going to be spoiled. It's not going to thicken up. So just mix until it's mixed properly, until it's thoroughly combined. Now you're just gonna go ahead and boil your water. Okay, and when you boil that water, you use it immediately. All right, when it's done boiling, you use immediately. Do not boil and then reboil before use. It might cause it to have lumps. So as soon as the water is boiled, start pouring it into the mixture. You give a little stir while pouring until you see the custard thicken, just like it is here. Okay, until you see it thicken beautifully, then that means it's perfectly done. It's going to transform from a liquid to a creamy delight you can't wait to taste. It's very important to follow the steps while making custard so you won't get disappointed, alright? So the steps, like we said before, is just to dissolve with enough water to make it a good consistency, not too thick and not too watery. And then while your water boils, use immediately. Do not reboil it before use. It's going to cause it to have lumps. Alright, so when that is done, you transfer to your bowl and then you add your milk. If you use sugar, you can go ahead and add your sugar. Okay, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more delicious recipe. And let me know in the comment section your favorite ways to enjoy custard. We are going to enjoy this with our moi moi this morning. So tell me what you like to enjoy your custard with. I have a moi moi recipe in my channel that will go very well with this custard. So try and check it out. I'll see you guys in my next video.